AMD just took a massive hit, and like clockwork, the comments section is flooded with the usual retail panic. Is this distribution selling? Is the top in? Is the secular AI bull market officially over? At Tuesday's closing bell, AMD wrapped up the session at $507.29, logging a sharp 7.3% single-day dump. On the surface, that daily candle looks pretty ugly and scary to the public. But let's zoom out for some macro context. Right before this flash crash, this stock executed a face-ripping three-session squeeze of over 20%, printing a fresh all-time high at $558.37. So if we follow retail logic, every single pullback from an all-time high is a cyclical top? If that were true, the Nasdaq would have peaked and died thousands of times over the last few decades. If you're trading these high-beta AI setups, smash the like button and drop a comment. Do you think this flush is a textbook institutional shakeout or structural distribution? Check the description for our live desk metrics. Most retail tourists only know AMD because of the recent artificial intelligence boom. But they aren't some overnight hype story. They design premium CPUs and GPUs competing directly with NVIDIA and Intel. For a long time, the street only cared about NVIDIA. But now, hyperscalers and massive enterprise buyers are aggressively hunting for a secondary source, making AMD the ultimate beneficiary of this rotation. Especially in the AI data center space, AMD's top-line compounding speed has been insane. Institutional desks have completely abandoned legacy silicon valuation models for this stock. Think of it this way. If NVIDIA is the absolute straight A tech valedictorian of the AI class, AMD is the hyper-aggressive underdog right next door whose grades are catching up at an alarming speed. So what does the smart money love to do? They don't buy when the retail hype is completely crowded. They let the stock rip, then engineer a violent intraday stop hunt to see who flushes out first. A heavy technical pullback after hitting a $558 peak is completely standard tape action. Momentum was overextended, and short-term fast money choosing to de-risk and take profits is perfectly healthy. The million-dollar metric to track isn't a single-day 7% liquidation flush. The real question is whether institutional buy orders will step back in to absorb the cheap supply at key support levels. Right now, Wall Street targets display a wide spread from a $385 floor to a $665 moonshot, with the consensus average pinned right near $507, which happens to be exactly where the tape is printing now. This isn't a life or death breakdown for AMD. It's a standard retest before choosing the next macro direction. The AI feast isn't over, and an AMD still commands a premium seat at the head table. Whether we chop sideways or prepare to launch another vertical squeeze back to a THS, we will let the price action dictate our next trade. Subscribe for more alpha, check the description, and I'll see you on the next tape.